Oh my god. To Teddy.
Oh.
From Justin Bieber. To Teddy from Justin Bieber.
Are you okay, Grace?
To Teddy from
into the cupcake.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber sent you something?
It's too
Sweet.
scary. Way too scary.
That famous
Not as
singer?
creepy as I thought.
Wow, how did he know where he lived?
I bet he's sending in his old shaver
Awesome.
from when he started shaving last year.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
So good. Justin Bieber's gave us pretty good.
Ooh, hairspray.
Wow.
Green, black,
Cool.
red, purple, blue, some more red, and some gray.
Wow.
All the colors in this girl's hair. In this girl's hair. All of the colors.
Oh my goodness.
Say thank you, Justin Bieber.
Okay. Thank you, Justin. Okay.
Yeah.